What's up, guys? Today we'll be seeing top 5 CPA networks to earn money online as an affiliate. So, CPA stands for cost per action, which means your traffic has to do some action on the affiliate link that you are providing. Now, stay till the end so that I have one bonus point at the end of this video. So, make sure you stay till the end to know more about that bonus point. And in CPA, there are many different branches for you to promote as an affiliate, which will be like CPS, which is cost per sale. There are PPC and many more other. So you have to drive the traffic to make an action, and this requires very less effort. Now, without dragging, we'll start off with the first website, which is JVZoo. JVZoo is full of digital products. You will be promoting those digital products and drive traffic in order to make sales and earn that commission. Now, to start off with it, create an account, complete your profile and connect your bank details and account, and you're good to go. When you get into the dashboard, click on for affiliate products. You will be getting a lot of products from various niches. Choose your niche and bid for the product. And when you are bidding for the product, request, like you'll be getting a request tab where you have to request affiliate link. They will be asking you for what are all the methods and strategies that you use to drive sales and traffic. Once you submit those questions, if the person likes your response, he will be approving your request and he will be giving you affiliate link. Then you have to use those special links, paste it on wherever you have on your website or in Pinterest banners, everywhere, wherever you are trying to promote it. Paste those links and drive traffic to that. Whenever you make a sale, you will be getting that commission. Check on with it. Each product has various different types of commissions, like starting from 75% to 30%, 25%. It has various number of commissions, so check with that. Now, talking about drawbacks of JVZoo, some of the products aren't that great quality. So if you end up promoting a bad quality product, you might end up getting a bad name among online users. So make sure you check out their sales page and other details in order to know more about the product. So check out and go through the details before applying for any affiliate product on there. The second one we are going to look out for is maxbounty.com. This is one of the highest quality affiliate program. I have to say this because before getting into this platform, you will be going through a lot of interview. You have to fill out the information, which I'll be showing you now. I already have an account with this, so I'm not going to create that account, which I'm going to show you now, but for educational purposes I'm just showing it. This is one of the highest quality, and it has very high high quality partners along with them. Can you see there? Norton, GoDaddy, McAfee, and Microsoft, and lots of big companies are here to promote. This is another CPA program where you will be having lots of links and affiliate programs inside. This is very similar to ClickBank. Once you get in through, you will be getting link. You don't have to approve each time, but before getting inside, you will have an interview call after filling up the this page, where you will be asked to sign up. After signing up, you will have a call from them if you are going to be qualified. So after getting that call only, you will get access to login. See, this is how the affiliate sign up page will be. After clicking on to sign up, they will be asking you certain details about your experiences. Like, you have to be on the point and clear cut with your explanation, because you have to tell them what are all the strategies that you're using and how you will be promoting their products and how many followers, and if you are going to link any account that you already have, which is having, like, more than 10,000 followers on Instagram, or more than 20,000 followers on Facebook, that you're going to list it out. You have to explain them in a more descriptive way, like saying them, I have these many followers, I can drive this many traffic, which are converting to this many amount of percentages. You have to tell them. One thing I really love in Max Bounty is that it has many offers for lead. many affiliate programs that requires you to get lead. You have to generate leads are something that you drive the traffic to make sign up with that company. So that is really easy, right, rather than making a sale. So I really love this. You have to try it out. This is 100% legit and very high quality one. So now moving on to the third one, it's Rakuten Advertising, which was before called as Linkshare. After 2005, I think they have changed the name to Rakuten Advertising. This one is similar to Max Bounty in the quality. They have very good quality products, and many big companies here like Sephora, Walmart, Guess, Ray-Ban. I think, yeah. So they have very big companies here posting for promotion. You will be instantly granted access into this Rakuten Advertising, and once you are in the dashboard, you have to individually apply for each and every product that you want to do affiliate for. And once you get the link, you can start promoting. But in Rakuten Advertising, you will be getting a lot of physical products rather than digital one. So many will be like beauty products, health products. They have more categories. I have seen. I am currently using it for beauty products in from this one. So this is a great place if you are looking for physical products to start promoting and earning. They have really good quality and high quality products, so don't miss it out. Just try it. It's 100% legit and really great to start with it. This is a secret, but I want to share with you guys. Like, I got approved for JBL products from this platform, so I got my affiliate link for JBL products. I really love JBL a lot, so I think this is a really great platform. You have to try on. If you have any doubts, just comment it below, and we'll be seeing another two big CPA networks. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now, starting off with the fourth one, Peerfly. This is really nice, guys. You have to start with an account in this one because they even have a lot of big, huge companies like Uber, McAfee. You know, there are really great companies here. You can start with it. This is really good quality one. Um, See, I cannot able to compromise with one another because each and every CPA networks that I'm telling you now is good in one perspective, so I can't compromise with the other one for this one. And yeah, you have to try this one. Start as an affiliate, create an account, and you'll be good to go. In Peerfly, you'll be getting both digital and physical products to promote, and you'll be earning a lot from just generating leads for those products. So, yeah, you have to drive those traffic to make an action or something like subscription, as I said, or filling out a form or a poll. So it's that easy. You can earn a lot from this one. But this is really tough, guys, to get into it. Their program is really high quality, so they require the same quality from the affiliates. So getting into this program is a bit tough and hard, but once you get into, you are really going to live that life which you are loving for, because they have lots of product to promote on, and you will be getting super good quality commissions and way better for a very less work. So it's bit high quality, but it worth it. So one important advice that I would like to give you all is that be niche specific. When you get inside, it's really true that you will get excited and want to promote all the products that you see, but don't do that. Just be niche specific so that people will trust on you. So that being said, we'll move on to the last one, which is global wide media. But before that, as I have said already, wait till the end so that you get that bonus information, which I'm going to share with you all in a few seconds. And in global wide media, it's a really, a great website which is really high quality and really good. They have very big and huge companies tied up with them, like as you can see, Ford, Uber, even fun part is that Rakuten even is there, Walmart, Alibaba.com, and Qatar Airways, and many much. So they, as they are tied up with these many big brands, they look out for very good quality affiliates to promote their product. So the getting into this platform is really hard, but once you get in through this, you will get amazing commission from them. Same like Beerfly, they even have that CPA, CPL, CPM, and CPC models for affiliating. So there is no doubt you will get into this after a huge review, but once you are inside, you will get a nice payout. So trust me, this is really great. You have to try this out. If your application is gone through and you are inside, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be really happy to hear that. Now for the bonus point, I'm going to introduce to you to affiliate paying, which is affpaying.com. This is a really nice website where you can find lots of CPA networks from them. This is not a CPA network by itself, but it will be showing you a lot of CPA networks to join. I am in my leads. I have already joined and I have few affiliate links in that. I'll be showing that in the next video, which I'm going to do. Release it by this week probably. Yeah, I'll be showing you my lead. So I'm already there in that. I have few affiliate links in that. You can see a lot of CPA networks in here for promoting. Just click on join, you'll be redirected to the CPA network sites. Can you see they even have max bounties link? So when you click on join and go and join there, you will be having several process. If they have review, you'll be having that review. After getting into that, you are good to go and start affiliating for the products. So yeah, this is my bonus point. I think you will get lot of affiliate programs from this website. So try it out. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. If you have any doubts, even comment that one below. Check out my other videos for affiliate marketing I have done for Amazon and Flipkart. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and give a like if you like this video a lot, and share it with your friends who are in need. I'll be really happy if you share with students, especially because students will get that pocket money from these kind of work. So yeah, that's all for now. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.